to you for turning up for this Coffee Stakeholders Conference in the great country of Meru, which is on the eastern slopes of Mount Kenya. Converging in Meru for this critical meeting is significant. From this county, one of the regions whose men and women fought for Kenya's independence, and the greatest farmers of all time, we must resolve to liberate and dignify the coffee farmer by delivering economic freedom. For the next 2 days, we'll establish structures for long-term reforms in the coffee subsector. Distinguished guests and farmers, in the Executive Order number 1 of 2023, President William Ruto tasked me with overseeing public reforms, reforming the coffee, tea, and dairy subsectors, and this has formed part of my work. I have engaged stakeholders like yourself towards a turnaround to profitability. Distinguished farmers, this summit is a climax of wide consultations with farmers, various states and non-state agencies in the country and outside on sustainable reforms. For far too long, those who sweat most in producing the cash crop have benefited the least. And that is why we are here today, to make sure that those who toil most benefit the most, and those who do little benefit little along the way. We want to link the farmer to the consumer directly and do away with a big chain of middlemen between the farmer and the consumer. From the engagements, we have identified legal, policy, and operational gaps in the production and marketing chain. This is a key component of the output of this conference. Distinguished farmers, we are in full gear to delivering results in the coffee subsector, and the Ruto administration was elected on the promise of uplifting those at the bottom of the development stratum. With the high cost of Kenyan coffee in the international market, it is unacceptable